morning students, myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, maths and science teacher in St. Michael's Academy, Bettiah. Students, in this video we shall learn in science for class 7 chapter 7 physical and chemical changes. Even there are many changes can be seen around us and most of them are either physical or chemical change. So before starting this chapter, just we can understand it by some activities. Suppose I have a paper and just I am changing its shape. Suppose just I am folding it like that and making an aeroplane as you also do in your daily life. Now you can see that the shape of the paper has been changed. Again it is just changed in another shape. Now by changing shape of the paper, you can just form a cap. Now again I am changing its shape and this time I have made a boat. Means what do I want to show you? I am just telling that whatever the shape has been made from this paper, the quality of paper could not be changed. Means the paper remains as it was. हमने इसके चाहे जो भी शेप बनाए, शेप चेंज हुआ, पेपर चेंज नहीं हुआ. Now this is called physical change. You can just tear the papers and again with the help of glue we can attach them also. So here no new substances form and so these changes are called physical change. Now what will happen if I just burn it? Then you can see that a new substance will form and the shape of this paper couldn't be regained. Now here you can see that after burning this paper, some ashes got and these ashes cannot be changed into a paper. Means it shows that the change is called chemical change. यानी अब ये क्या दिखाया गया कि ये जो परिवर्तन है वह रासायनिक परिवर्तन हुआ क्योंकि इसमें एक नया चीज बना और फिर हम उसको पहले वाले चीजों में नहीं ला सकते हैं. Now students, some chemical changes can be shown by this practical also. Suppose I am taking some water in this glass. This is hot water so that practical could be shown fastly. And now I have some copper sulfate. I am mixing it the water and just stir it. You can see the color of this water becomes blue due to the copper sulfate. Now students, I have some nails. You can see that they are just looking bright because they are new, and now I am keeping them in the solution of copper sulfate. Now observe what happens. Now students, you can see the color of this solution is in the state of changing when I join it the nail. Now here nail is made up by iron, and here copper sulfate just start reaction with the iron, and some rust will form, which is the coating of copper that can be seen on the nail. As you can see that the color of the nail, which was just looked shiny, becomes brown. Why? Here the brownish color is due to the coating of copper, and copper sulfate solution is just preparing. After half an hour we can see that the solution will be changed into green. Now students, you can see the differences between the color of first one and second one. The color of the second solution becomes green because the iron reacted with the copper sulfate solution and has formed ferrous sulfate, as well as copper deposited on the nail. So it shows that the chemical changes has been done, and now we cannot gain the previous color of the solution as it is, क्योंकि इसके तरह हम नहीं ला सकते, क्योंकि रासायनिक परिवर्तन हो गया और बिल्कुल एक नया चीज तैयार हो गया। इसी को हम केमिकल चेंजेस बोलेंगे। नाउ देयर आर सम ऑफ द changes can be seen which happens with the same thing as this is matchstick. Now you can see there is a coating of red phosphorus, and when we swipe the matchstick on the coating of the red phosphorus on the box, then it start burning. So the burning of matchstick is chemical change. Now I am just burning this candle. Now see what happens. When I burn the candle, you can find the wax start melting, and I deposit these melted wax. So the melting of wax is physical change because these wax can be used again, but the burning of wax is a chemical change. यहाँ जो मोम पिघला, हम उस पिघले मोम को फिर से यूज कर सकते हैं। अगर हम उसको कहीं डिपॉजिट कर ले, उसमें एक विक एक बत्ती डाल दें, तो यह फिर से जलाया जा सकता है। यहाँ पहली स्थिति में यह एक भौतिक परिवर्तन या फिजिकल चेंज था, लेकिन अभी जो यह मोमबत्ती जल रहा है और यह जल करके एक नया चीज बना रहा है, यह हीट और लाइट में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, और जब यह वैक्स जल जाएगा फिर से हम नए वैक्स को नहीं ला पाएंगे, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड केमिकल चेंज। नाउ द फिजिकल एंड केमिकल चेंज कैन बी happen simultaneously with some of the substances. जैसे कुछ पदार्थों में क्या होता है, जैसे हम अगर इससे कैंडल की बात लें तो आप देखते हो कि कैंडल जल करके लाइट और हीट में कन्वर्ट तो होता ही है, साथ में कुछ वैक्स इसके किनारे भी आ जाते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दी चैप्टर।